Bro, do you even lift? Yeah, today we are tasting bro dough. Let's get started. Okay, so if you've never heard of bro dough before, it is protein-infused, vegan, edible cookie dough. I just get giddy thinking about the idea of eating cookie dough. I don't know about you, but I totally love that. Are you part of the cookie dough gang? You know, the ones when we were kids would totally lick the bowls when our parents were done, you know, with the cookie dough batter. Yeah, that was me. The memories. And now I can totally do it again. At any rate, I am very excited. They delivered it to my door. Little bro dough sticker. Very excited. They've got a bunch of flavors. So the two that I got were Piñata Party Cookie Dough, and the other one was a white chocolate chip cookie dough. Oh, sweet, and it's got a little sealed package, you know, make sure it's all fresh. It smells really good. All right, let's do the piñata one first. I need a spoon. I'll be right back. Gonna get my cookie dough. Highly satisfying. Yeah, smells so good. So I'll give you guys a little close-up so you can see. That is your piñata party. Let's talk about the nutrition facts a little bit. You got for 2 tablespoons, which is about 29 grams. There are 105 calories, 3 grams of fat. There are 19 grams of total carbs. With the protein, you've got 4.5 grams. Okay, enough talking. Let's eat. Are y'all sure this is vegan? I mean, well, that's good. It's cookie dough. It is cookie dough. Got some Oreos and sprinkles, white chocolate chips. It's delish. Okay, the other one. Let's do the white chocolate chip. Let me show you guys this one. This is, of course, white chocolate chip cookie dough. Ooh, nice. So smooth. Okay, so how would I describe this? All right, well, let's just say the batter is delicious. It's sweet and thick, and it's not grainy at all, like whatsoever. And it's really, really good. It's got a little bit of crunch from the cookies or the sprinkles, depending on which flavor that you get. But yeah, what I really love about the batter is that it's smooth. So they actually make a ton of recommendations on the things that you can do with bro dough. You can like heat it up in the microwave for like 12 seconds, put it on pancakes or waffles, use it as a spread, eat it straight out of the jar, which I am more than happy to do. There's tons of ways that you can enjoy this. They even recommend having this as like a post-workout snack. I'm down for that. You know what, as a matter of fact, let's try that little 12-second thing, see how that turns out. Whoa, so soft. Oh my life, what kind of wizardry is this? Heat it up. So like I said, it's vegan, plant-based protein, and it's amazing. If you like eating cookie dough, this is what you need to be trying out. At the moment, bro dough only ships out to Canada, but they're always growing and making changes and everything. For example, they just came out with a brand new recipe, red velvet. I need to have that one. If you want more information, more details, and you want to check out all the other flavors they have, I will absolutely be sure to leave all the details down below for their Instagram page, as well as their own website. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment downstairs. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. All right, people. Enjoy your workout, enjoy your food, enjoy your life, and I will see you in the next video.